In a forest where time whispered through the leaves of a grand oak tree, a harmonious assembly of creatures made their home. An eagle in the sky, a cat within the trunk, and a wild sow with her piglets at the base lived in an unspoken peace. But the stillness of the forest was about to be disturbed by a cunning plan.
Dear friend, grave tidings I bring. Under the cloak of night, the wild sow plots our downfall, aiming to shatter our foundation and feast upon our young.
The seed of discord sown, the cat slinked down to the earthy embrace of the sow's abode, weaving another tale of deceit.
Beware, danger looms above. The eagle, with a hunger unbound, watches eagerly for a moment to strike at your innocent piglets.
The cat, having spun her web of lies, nestled in the shadows of the grand oak. The sow, bound by fear, dared not venture out, and the eagle, caught in the grip of suspicion, watched from above. As days turned into nights, a silence fell over the oak tree. The once vibrant calls of the eagle and the joyful sounds of the sow and her piglets faded into whispers. In their absence, the cat, with her brood, thrived, claiming the domain as her own. Thus concludes our tale, a reminder of the fragile threads of trust and the shadows that linger, waiting to unravel them. In the grand theatre of the forest, it was cunning and shadows that crowned a new ruler, leaving silence as the sole witness to the change of reign. The moral of The Eagle, the Cat, and the Wild Sow story is that cunning and deceit can disrupt harmony and trust, leading to the downfall of those who are manipulated. It serves as a cautionary tale about the importance of discerning truth from falsehood and the consequences of allowing fear and suspicion to guide actions. Trust once broken can lead to isolation and the rise of those who use manipulation to achieve their own ends.